Is Ally Bank on the brink? Rumors are swirling about potential struggles. Let's dive deep and uncover the truth behind these claims. Ally Bank, once a digital banking darling, has captured the hearts of many with its high-interest savings accounts and user-friendly platform. But lately, whispers of financial instability have been circulating. Is there cause for concern? Let's break down the facts and separate fiction from reality. Understanding the rumors. The internet is a breeding ground for speculation. A few key factors seem to have fueled the rumors. Economic climate. The recent economic downturn has impacted various industries, including banking. Rising competition. New digital banks are emerging, offering competitive interest rates and innovative features. Regulatory changes. The ever-evolving regulatory landscape can pose challenges to banks. Analyzing Ally Bank's financial health. To truly assess Ally Bank's stability, we need to examine its financial performance. Strong capital position. Ally Bank maintains a robust capital base, which is crucial for weathering economic storms. Solid profitability. The bank has consistently generated profits, demonstrating its ability to generate revenue. Efficient operations. Ally Bank's digital-first approach allows it to operate efficiently, reducing costs. FDIC insurance. As an FDIC-insured institution, your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor, per bank, per ownership category. Let's tackle some of the common concerns raised about Ally Bank. Interest rate cuts. While interest rates may fluctuate, Ally Bank has historically offered competitive rates, adjusting to market conditions. Customer service issues. While no bank is immune to occasional service hiccups, Ally Bank generally has a positive reputation for customer service. Technological challenges. Ally Bank invests in technology to ensure a seamless user experience. However, like any tech-reliant institution, it may face occasional technical glitches. While it's natural to be cautious in uncertain times, the evidence suggests that Ally Bank remains a solid and reliable financial institution. Its strong financial position, efficient operations, and commitment to customer satisfaction make it a trustworthy choice for your banking needs. If you're considering Ally Bank or are already a customer, stay informed. Monitor the bank's financial performance, keep an eye on industry news, and don't hesitate to reach out to customer service with any questions or concerns. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.